Rules of the Perl-based Issuance platform. Rule 1. PPS encoding of anchored objects. 1.1 Each Perl-based anchoring object, PPS, has a unique number. 1.2 The PPS number is arranged in a sequential order with a two-part, 6-character code separated by a hyphen, dash. 1.3 The first segment of the code has 4 digits, representing the issuance period. The second segment has 2 digits, representing the serial number of the PPS within that issuance period. For example, PPS number 1234 to 56 indicates that this PPS is the 56th item issued in the 1234th issuance period. Rule 2. Password setting for the system entrance. 2.1 The entrance password for the Perl-based system is universal for all user interfaces across all functional platforms and serves as the only password for users of the Perl-based system. 2.2 Basic principles for setting the entrance password. 1. The entrance password must be a strong password to maximize security. 2. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, is required for large transactions, shareholder voting, and recovering or resetting the entrance password to confirm the user's identity. 3. The system provides a user-friendly interface for setting and retrieving the password without using special characters. 4. The entrance password is stored using a salted hash to ensure absolute security. 5. The system does not allow dynamic codes or social accounts, like phone numbers, WeChat, or Twitter, for password-free login to prevent malicious login attempts. 2.3 Details for password setting. 1. Only 3 types of ASCII characters are allowed: 0 to 9 digits, AZ lowercase letters, AZ uppercase letters, and the system is case sensitive. Special characters, e.g., UN, and /, are not permitted. 2. The password must be 8 to 16 characters long and include all 3 types of ASCII characters. 3. The system provides MFA recovery options, including email, phone number, biometric data, and security questions like, "What is the surname of your elementary school teacher?" Email is mandatory. Other options are optional. 4. The entrance password combined with the username creates the unique identification ID in the Perl-based system. A username must be created before setting the password. The username must be at least 6 ASCII characters. Otherwise, the system will prompt to create a new one if it is less than 6 characters or already in use. 2.4 Security management of the entrance password. 1. The system provides an option to store the password using a salted hash. Even if the hash or salted hash is exposed, the original password remains secure. 2. The system enforces security parameters such as the maximum number of login attempts, 5 attempts. Exceeding 5 attempts locks the page, requiring MFA to unlock. The maximum inactivity period is set to 20 minutes. 3. To avoid an unfriendly user interface, the system does not require periodic password resets. 4. If the original password is forgotten and the hash is lost, login cannot be verified, and the original password cannot be restored. However, if ID information is provided, the user can apply for a new username and password. Two-point-5 verification for password login. 1. Password recovery or reset requires login verification, which includes CAPTCHA test, e.g., puzzle operation, to verify non-robot status. Asterisk answering security questions, e.g., what is the surname of your elementary school teacher? Asterisk. At least 2 MFA methods, including dynamic code verification, biometric verification, and cold wallet verification. 2. For major operations like large transactions and shareholder voting, login verification requires CAPTCHA test, e.g., puzzle operation, to verify non-robot status. At least 2 MFA methods, including dynamic code verification, biometric data, voluntarily stored ID information, cold wallet verification, etc. 2.6 Safety tips and disclaimers for password setting. 1. All warning items in the Perl-based system are declared under a disclaimer. Users must read and check to indicate understanding before proceeding to the next step. 2. Password setting tips include: avoid using easily guessed strings like names, birthdays, or common words. Do not reuse or use passwords from other platforms. Change the password periodically if necessary. 3. Tips for secure password storage include: do not store passwords on computers or mobile devices, especially those connected to the internet. Avoid using password managers with decryption risks. Asterisk ensure proper memorization of the storage location when using a hash or salted hash for password storage. If ID information is not voluntarily provided during password hashing, the password cannot be reset. Asterisk. Do not trust any unsolicited entrance links. Only use the unique domain name entry of the Perl-based system and its functional platforms. Do not trust any requests to input a password via email, phone, or in the name of Perl-based staff. Only operate based on personal judgment on the official domain name entry of the Perl-based system.